sector are gathered here for the Insurance Directors Conference themed Navigating the New Insurance Landscape, Strategies for NIRA 2025 Compliance and Growth. The Commissioner for Insurance unveils the 3 core working groups to drive the execution of NIRA's objectives across the insurance value chain.
As regulators, I think our strategic focus on NIRA is threefold. We want to reform, we want to rebuild, and we want to recapitalize. And I will do a bit of emphasis on these 3 areas. We want to modernize regulation and align this with global standards. Trust me, this has already been delivered to us. Because NIRA is a modern legislation that has given us the necessary regulatory platform on which to propel the necessary growth that this industry requires. We want to rebuild by strengthening governance, solvency, and of course, public trust. We want the Nigerian people to trust us as the protector and the defender of the Nigerian wallet, of the Nigerian treasury, of the Nigerian assets. We want to recapitalize, not solely for the purpose of recapitalization. We want to enhance the financial capacity of the sector. We want to foster innovation, and we want to expand inclusion in the Nigerian economy.
And then the guest speaker notes that to fully harness NIRA's potential, companies must accelerate governance reforms, invest in digital distribution, and use data analytics to deepen market penetration.
Capital serves 3 fundamental purposes. Number 1, working capital. You need money to trade, to continue the business. Right? Number 2, capital is also meant to finance growth. And then number 3, to serve as a shock absorber. In fact, that was what the CFI used in particular institute. It made reference to shock absorber. Alright? So capital adequacy then means that your firm has capacity to meet its maturing obligations and also absorb financial losses without impairing its operations or financial health.
For the Minister of State for Finance, improving consumer and investors' confidence is priority.
Whether you're in an urban area or you're in rural area, it does not matter. In both places, the risks that they carry are different. In the urban area, you're likely going to have a need for insuring your automobiles or insuring your house against fire. Now, in the rural community, the same risk or different set of risks depending on what you're facing. Some people are facing increased climate action from maybe flooding or drought, maybe their farmlands. So it depends on what sort of risk that they are facing. But in all of it, the underlying tone is really increasing consumer confidence. Insurance just means that you have to protect against risk. Risk will happen. There must always be risk. Risk is part of life. But then your ability to manage the risk is what we call insurance.
As the reform clock ticks, the insurance directors have set a clear agenda. Compliance is top for growth and transformation in the new era.